My name's Glenn Schultz. I'm one of the sector leads within Origin Zero, looking after our strategic partners groups, which are namely focused on large manufacturing and industrials within Australia. The great thing about the A2EP conference is there's a lot of end user stories here. And the amazing thing about that is we can sit here and hear about the successes they've had, but also the challenges they're having. And that's where we think Origin Zero can play a part to try and unlock some of those challenges for them. Alternatively, the other side of it is for Origin Zero to be here and demonstrate what we've done and be able to show other people in the room what could be done in a partnership with Origin Zero. One of the things I really like about this particular conference is it's about the energy ecosystem that exists here. So we've got, obviously, as I mentioned, the end users talking about what they're trying to do and their ambitious targets. But the one thing, regardless of what industry you're in, everyone is here to try and solve those challenges and get our manufacturing sector to that next level of energy transition.